Like currently, I'm working as a BI developer in Impetus technology. Previously, I worked in DXC technology.
Uh-huh.
So this is my first switch in my
Okay.
career.
Mhm.
So
So,
this could be small int.
yep. Super, super. Short and sweet. No worries at all. So I'm just curious, bro. Like, the main thing is like shortlisting your resume. So how was your preparation in preparing this CV? Like, what was the keywords and like how was your strategy in preparing this CV, bro? So what was your thought
Okay.
on that? Yep.
So initially, I made one resume. Like
Uh,
once I thought of planning for a switch,
uh,
so I started preparing my resume. Okay.
okay.
So by seeing my resume, I felt like okay, it's very good. The format is good, context is good, content is good.
Uh-huh.
It will be shortlisted easily.
Uh-huh.
But I'm not getting any calls from
Also.
not even from Naukri, LinkedIn, anywhere.
Uh,
Even from when I try to apply from career site, no one
mhm.
like nowhere it's getting selected. Everywhere it's getting rejected.
Mhm.
So slowly I started seeing some videos in YouTube, attending some workshops on how to uh, make our resume
Okay.
in order to get shortlisted and
Okay.
all. Okay. So then I used to download few resume templates. In LinkedIn, we can find some resume templates.
Mm,
Few
mm,
people they will be posting the resume template. So I collected like few 3 or 4 resume
okay.
templates.
Mhm.
So I used to uh, I used to take help of ChatGPT in order to
Okay.
make some sentence phrases because uh, the way we our kind of is not so professional.
Yes. Correct.
So
Got it.
ChatGPT really helps us to make some corrections. So I used to check my ATS score.
Okay. Mhm.
So this was the initial preparations. So yeah, we can find from LinkedIn or there are some websites where some free templates were available like Nova Resume and all.
Okay.
So we can do our resume part from there.
Perfect. Super. So coming to this ATS score, bro, like what was the preferable score individual must have to get shortlisted?
80 and above is preferred.
It is so more
So
the score,
we should
more,
make sure.
ah,
Yeah. Like sorry. So generally it's like we will be preparing one resume and keep on applying same resume for all the jobs.
yep.
So it will not work. Like we need to keep some efforts.
Mm,
So for every job which you're applying, we need to go through the job
job
description, need to
description.
check the keywords, like whether those keywords were present in our resume or not. It will
Okay.
really works. So initially I made the same mistake. I used to use the same resume for all the job
Okay.
openings. So yeah, somehow in my journey I made
Ah.
many mistakes and I sorted out few, learned few. It's all learning now.
So at what period of like let assume that you were working in this DXC, I guess last 2 years, if I'm not wrong, since from past 2 years.
No, no. In DXE, I worked for 3.5 years.
3.5 years. Okay, so when was your preparation started for a shift, bro? Like, what was the time period?
So in 2024, from February, I started.
Okay,
Seriously, started from February.
seriously.
Previously, I used to apply.
Uh,
Seriously, I started.
okay,
Previously, I applied for one company in a month and expecting a call back from them.
okay,
So from February, I started like every day. Used to update my Naukri profile, LinkedIn. So used to be active in LinkedIn.
mm,
So so even I took LinkedIn subscription. So
okay,
trying to reach out through reach out to recruiters
okay,
or a talent acquisition team. So from February I started from, but I didn't get any responses for
okay,
3 4 months
mm,
till July. I think I didn't get any calls. Like I got 1 or 2 calls, but based on because of my 3 months of notice period,
uh,
like they're not moving my resume towards interview.
okay,
So they used to reject my application in the
okay,
initial phase itself.
mm,
So in August, I started getting calls.
okay,
So from August, like I started attending interviews.
okay,
So somehow my from February to July, I like made many changes in my resume. Like I learned many things from by attending many workshops and all. Mainly I focused on resume because work-wise, anyhow we are working, we are learning, we can implement something.
yes,
But resume is the key factor, right, in order to get shortlisted. So
very good.
I spend most of the time on my resume part.
Okay.
But still there are many new things. Like when I reached out to my friends, their resume is even better than mine. Like I
Okay.
could feel like it's my old school style of resume.
Uh-huh.
So still there are many things to be make changes. So in the preparation, I used to work like I used to manage my work and used to prepare spend some time on upskillment.
All right.
So mainly I focused on BI and SQL. Power BI,
Mhm.
I
Okay.
worked on Power BI for 3.4 years. So SQL, so only Power BI. Generally, I used to hear like nowadays Power BI, because of this YouTube ads and also people were thinking we can easily learn only with Power BI. We can easily get job, but it
Mm.
doesn't work.
Yep.
So with the BI tool, we need to have some DB like database knowledge like SQL.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, we need to add SQL and BI. So if we add some Python,
Added
SQL,
benefit.
Power
Mm.
BI,
Yep.
machine learning, we can jump into data analytics.
Okay.
So it's like there are many things you need to add in this. So people were uh, just thinking like only Power BI will help us to enter into the job.
Mm. So like
So from August, yeah,
all right. So like what I was trying to say is like sticking to an individual tech, it's better to have a knowledge about, I mean, hands-on on other techs also. It will be added benefit.
yeah, yeah,